Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Ava. I make videos about beauty, fashion, and life. Today I have a double Fashionphile unboxing, so if you want to see what I got, just stay tuned. Okay, before we get into it, did you hit the subscribe button yet? Did you ring the bell? Okay, I'll wait. Okay, good. Now, I bought these bags a while ago. They've been sitting in boxes just waiting for me to open them because I wanted to open them on camera, and I don't know why I've been waiting for so long, but okay. So if you don't know what Fashionphile is, it's a pre-loved luxury marketplace online. I think they're all online, I don't know. But I purchased these online. They sell handbags, clothes, shoes, jewelry, accessories, things like that. This is what the box looks like. Comes with thank you card and some confetti. A sticker that says used is the new. And so when I purchase luxury bags, I don't have that many. I have a couple. They're all pre-loved. In the past, way back in the day, I did buy some brand new luxury bags when I worked at Nordstrom, and I ended up giving those away. And so when I decided to dip back into the luxury bag world, I chose to go pre-loved because I don't want to spend as much money as these bags actually cost. Okay, so I got a nail file, play on the word, on the name Fashionphile. And this bag came in a Fashionphile dust bag. When I think about how I want to decide what type of bag to look at, there are a couple different things I do. First of all, I just scour the site, like look at my favorite brands, look at different silhouettes I'm attracted to, different colors I'm attracted to. For this particular bag, I wanted something that was a classic and vintage. So that's what I got. Let's see what condition it's in. Okay, so here we go. It is a Louis Vuitton. There were some really detailed pictures. The Fashionphile bags come with these tags. It says certificate of authenticity, Louis Vuitton monogram, Alma PM. So this bag attracted me because, like I said, it's classic. I like the size. It was in good condition. There are, you could see like some watermarks on here, but I've kind of been looking at how you can clean those up with leather conditioner. Okay, let's see how the zipper works. It's slightly sticky. See, it just, the bag is stuffed. And it has a little silicone packet. But you can see the inside looks actually pretty clean. It looks like this was really well taken care of. So I really like this bag. It goes with my style, my aesthetic. It was a great price. With Fashionphile, what I really like is that they take great pictures and they describe the condition. You can save your favorites. So if you have a profile, you can save your favorites, and then when bags go on sale, they notify you. If a bag actually sells, if something that you like sells, they will actually notify you when it comes back in stock, because you know, if someone else sells the same bag that you previously liked, they will notify you. Okay, so the other thing I like about this bag is that it has the ability to be crossbody, because it has the little tabs right here, and so you can make it a crossbody bag. So I'm really excited to have this, and it's really cute for being vintage. I think it's in amazing condition. Let's see, as long as I can get this zipper. Yeah, first I thought, so the zipper is like somewhat smooth, but then I don't know, you just kind of gotta get it around the curve. But I really like this, really cute. Okay, so that was bag number 1. Let's go to bag number 2. This next bag, I was really thinking about the color and the season, something that would be classic and timeless. YSL made a bag that they discontinued, and so that was kind of my inspiration for finding and purchasing this one. It's a big one. Okay, so it looks like this one also came in a Fashionphile dust bag. So this is the YSL Muse bag. I love this because of the size. You know, big bags are kind of back in style, but I've always been someone who loves a big bag. So I love the color. I love the color of the hardware. And like I said, it is a classic Saint Laurent bag that they aren't making anymore. It has feet on the bottom. I would say this one has like a couple spots that I did know about when I made the purchase. Like you can see right here. I don't know if that's something I can clean off, but I will try and I'll keep you posted. But okay, so let's see the next side of this one. Oh yeah, there's like so much room in here. It's kind of hard to see because it's so dark, but there's a zipper pocket on this side, and then there's some other little pockets on this side. But yeah, it's so cute. I really like the way the leather feels. It's kind of feels like a thick leather. You can almost kind of see how thick it is, like from the sides here. But this is so cute. You know, you could wear it like this. I might wear it on my shoulder if I was carrying a lot of things, but for the most part, I think it would just be in the crook of my arm or something like that. But I just really think it's really cute and really practical because of the size. So let me know in the comments, what do you think about the bags? Do you shop at Fashionphile or any similar site? Is it something you're thinking about trying out? What kind of bag do you have your eye on? Let's start a conversation in the comments. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you're having an amazing day, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Remember, you're never too young or too old to unleash your beauty and explore your style.